How to change country on Shopify store. To change country on Shopify store, first go to bottom right corner, click on settings. Now go to general. Under the store details, click on the pen icon. So here you can see country region. If you want to change your country, you will need to deactivate Shopify payment. So first we need to deactivate Shopify payment and then we will be able to change the country. So let's click on deactivate and then click on deactivate Shopify payment. After that, now we can change the country. Now suppose you want to change any of country and then input other details. After that, click save. Then your country will be changed. So that's how you can change country on Shopify store. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.